Hello everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Vincent. Today I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made from my small 2,000 subscriber YouTube channel in the month of November. And I'm also going to give you some more insights on how you can make money with a small YouTube channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get straight into my studio. Alright guys, so I have my computer right here and let's dive straight into all the different income streams that I have from my YouTube channel. Starting off with Google AdSense, which is probably the easiest way for anybody on YouTube to start making some money. All you need to apply for it is to first of all have 4,000 hours of watch time and also 1,000 subscribers. And then once you have that, you can apply for the program. Most likely you will get accepted, and then you just have to turn on monetization on your videos and you can start making money. So let's dive straight into my computer to see how much money I made in this month from YouTube and Google AdSense specifically. So as you can see, we are in my YouTube studio right now, and you can see that I have selected November for the date, and I got 16,300 views in this time frame. I only uploaded 4 videos, which is actually pretty cool because that means that most of this income is passive income, which means that I actually worked for it in the past and now it just keeps coming, which is awesome. And you can see I got 130 new subscribers on the channel, and I made $86.3, which is not bad. It's not a whole lot. This has been my highest month so far. If you take a look at all my months, it's been around $50 on average, but I started putting some more effort into YouTube this past month, and you can see how it's starting to climb up. So I'm gonna keep continuing to put more effort into my YouTube videos, try to make them better and more consistently, and I'm really hoping that this is going to take an exponential curve eventually. That's kind of the plan, and that's the pattern I have seen for most YouTubers. So that is my AdSense income. You can see that my RPM is $5.53, which means that for every 1,000 views that my channel got, I made $5.5 roughly, and my CPM is $12.68, which is not bad. It's not that insane either. It's kind of like in the middle, but I'm overall happy with my YouTube ad numbers. Now let's move on to the second income stream, which for me is going to be digital products. So what I love about digital products so much is the fact that once you make them, and then you can just keep selling them with no extra cost or no extra time required. So once you kind of created something that's valuable and you promote it to your audience, it becomes kind of passive, I would say. Obviously you have to keep selling it, but you don't have to spend your time recreating it each and every single time like you would have to do with coaching or a service-based business. It's also good that you don't have to deal with all the struggles that come with selling a physical product, like shipping it and creating it and packaging it and all that stuff. So the digital product that I was mainly selling this month has been the productivity logbook, which is basically a PDF that I created for people and myself as well to plan their day and to become more productive that way. And I only started selling it like 3 days ago, so I would guess that it would have been like way higher if I started selling it in the beginning of the month. So I might do an update on this video next month. But so far I have already made $78 from this digital product. I'm selling it for $13 and I had 6 sales so far, which is not bad at all. You can see that there is only $65 worth of sales on this website, which I'm selling it with, which is Gumroad. And that is because one person had an issue with the checkout, and so they sent me the money directly via PayPal, and then I gave them access to the file. I'm gonna pop a screenshot here somewhere so you know that I'm not lying to you, although it's not a huge amount of money. But yeah, that's how much I made from digital products this month. Then the third way I made some money from my YouTube channel has been Patreon. Now, this is actually something that I kind of forgot about, the fact that I had it, but once I checked it for this video, I saw that, there has been 2 Patreons who've been supporting me, so thank you so much for them. But yeah, I have been making $10 for, well, a while now from Patreon, just because I set it up like 2 years ago, and some people were still supporting me on there. So like I said, thank you very much to them. I kind of forgot about it, but yeah, so I made $10.09 from Patreon this month, which is, it's not a lot of money, but still all these little income streams kind of add up into a nice amount at the end of the day. So let's go into the fourth way of how I made money this month. The next income stream for me has been Amazon affiliates, which is an affiliate program. Basically what affiliate marketing is when you refer a customer to a company, they buy a product and then you get a commission from the sale that you got for the company. So with Amazon, it's super simple to sign up for their affiliate program, and once you do, you basically get 3 to 4% ish from the actual sale that you can get them. You get your own custom link and for each product that you want to promote, and once you get someone to buy through that link, you get a commission from it. So I basically had one big sale, and that's from just one of my random YouTube videos. I actually put like the descriptions of the equipment that I use in the description, so when someone clicks on it and they purchase it from there, I get a commission from it. So someone bought a DJI Mavic Air 2 from one of my YouTube videos, and I got $39.52 from it, which is pretty cool. And someone also bought like a journal, which was only $9, but I still made 36 cents from it. So overall, I made $39.88 from Amazon affiliates this month, as you can see, from November 1st to November 30th, which is not bad. I mean, if you think about it, it's half of my ad revenue. So it's definitely something that I think all YouTubers should do, because no matter what kind of niche you are in, everybody uses products, which you can just very simply link in the description, and then you will start making some extra passive income, and this really takes no effort once you set up the program. So the way you can sign up for Amazon affiliates is to go on their website and click on become an affiliate or something like that. You will fill out a couple things and then you're basically done. They pretty much accept everybody, and it's super simple to set it up, and it can be a nice little extra stream of income for you. Then lastly, the fifth way I made some money from my YouTube channel this month has been from promoting someone else's course. Now this is a higher ticket course, so obviously I made a lot more money from this than most of the other ones. It had a 40% commission rate, which means that I got 40% of the actual sale, and I made $396.4 from just getting one sale for that product, which is pretty nice because it's been a $991 course. So I think that promoting courses, if you don't have your own yet, is one of the best ways to make some money online. Or even if you do have your own, but you like someone else's course as well, or you can recommend it to others, go and message that person. Maybe they will be down to give you an affiliate link for it, and you can agree on an affiliate commission. And this is one of the best ways, like I said, to make some significant money, because with digital products, like I said, there is no cost of goods. So basically, once someone makes it and they sell it, there is no real extra costs involved. So if someone comes to the actual course creator and says that, hey, I can bring you some extra sales, I just want 30% of the revenue that comes in, then they will be very much like fine with that, because they still keep 70% of the actual sale and they didn't have to do anything to get that new customer. So becoming an affiliate for digital products, courses, or ebooks, or whatever that might be for you is also a very good idea. You can also go and check out ClickBank, and they have a bunch of products there that you can promote to your audience if you want. So that's also something that I think you should look into if you want to make some money from your YouTube channel. So if we tally everything up, you can see that I made $610.1 in November from all the different income sources from my YouTube channel, which only has 2,300-ish subscribers, which I think, although it's not a lot of money, I think considering the size of this channel and the amount of effort I put into it, which is honestly not that much if I really think about it, especially this month, like I only put out 4 videos, I think that's pretty significant. And you can see how much potential this has if someone has, 50,000 or 100,000 subscribers. Like if I can make $610 with only 2,000 subscribers, with 20,000 I would make like 6,000. With 200,000 I would make $60,000 every month from the YouTube channel if it would scale linearly. So that's pretty impressive in my opinion. I think the amazing thing about YouTube is the fact that it gives you real freedom. I love the agency model as well. That's the other business that I run. So this is obviously not all of my income. YouTube is kind of like a side thing for me, but I'm trying to put some more focus into it. But what's really good about YouTube is the fact that it gives you real freedom, right? You don't have anybody telling you what kind of videos you should make, how often you should make them, like when you should make them or anything like that. You really control all the variables, and how far you go is really just up to you and the YouTube algorithm, which if you haven't pressed the like for, please make sure to do so if you feel like this video was valuable for you. But for real, YouTube is such an amazing platform. You know, if you want, you can go anywhere in the world and you're still gonna make that income. It gives you location freedom, time freedom, and you don't even have to deal with annoying clients. So it's a really awesome platform, and I think that everybody should start building out their own YouTube channel if that's something that they are interested in, because you really have nothing to lose, and it's something that can provide you for the rest of your life if you build up a powerful personal brand. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope it didn't come off as flexing or anything like that, because that was truly not my intention. I just wanted to give you an inside look on how I can make a pretty significant income with such a small following, and also how you can maybe start implementing some of these income streams for your own YouTube channel, so you can start making money online with your own YouTube channel as well. So if you found this video insightful and good, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And if you have any good ideas on what I should make videos on, make sure to comment them below. I will check every single one of them out, and it's all highly appreciated. So hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and take care.